Tired of payment errors stopping you from grabbing that new game? Let's fix that by using Paysafecard. First, head to the PlayStation Store on your PS5 or PS4. Locate your user avatar at the top of the screen and select it. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Redeem Codes. Now, this is key. You will not enter your Paysafecard PIN here. Instead, you'll need to purchase a PlayStation Store gift card using your Paysafecard on a third-party website like Dundle or Recharge.com. Go to one of these websites and purchase a PlayStation Store gift card for the region of your PlayStation account. Make sure to select Paysafecard as your payment method. Once you've completed the purchase, you will receive a PlayStation Store gift card code. Enter that code on the redeem code screen we were just on. Confirm the redemption, and the funds will be added to your PlayStation wallet. Now you can purchase your desired games, DLC, or subscriptions directly from the PlayStation Store using your PlayStation wallet balance. Enjoy!